Hello children, welcome to Hindi Academy. Today I am going to explain this Hindi poem Parvat Pradesh Mein Pavas. It is from your Sparsh textbook from the Kavyansh Bhag. So let's start. Parvat Pradesh Mein Pavas. The title says that Parvat is the mountain, Pradesh means the mountainous area, and Pavas is the rain. So the rainy season in the mountainous area. Pavas Ritu thi Parvat Pradesh. Now the rainy season was there in the mountainous area. Pal pal parivartit prakriti vesh. Every minute the nature was changing. Mekhlakar Parvat Apar. Mekhlakar is actually a jewelry which the women wear on their waist. It's a round. It is called kargani also, and its shape is round. So all over that place, in a round area, there is a large number of mountains spread everywhere. Apne sahasra druk suman phar. There are so many flowers because of the rain. There are so many flowers on the mountain. Those flowers are compared to the eyes of the mountain. Avlok raha hai bar bar. It is looking at is everywhere and it is looking down. Niche jal mein nij hahakar, and it's looking down on the pond in the bottom of the mountain, and Mahakar is the big mountain is looking down. Jiske charno mein palatal. Charno means the bottom of the mountain is having a lot of water there because of the rainy season. Darpan sa phailaav hai vishal, and it looks like a mirror in which the mountain is seeing its reflection. Giri ka gaurav ga kar jharjhar. Now Giri ka gaurav is the mountain's praises, the waterfalls are singing. Madh mein nas nas uttejit kar, and it gives the feeling of happiness in every nerve of the body. Moti ki ladiyon se sundar. It is compared to the pearl string, and it is as beautiful like the pearl strings. Jharte hain jhaag bhare nirjhar, and it is like jharna meaning it's just falling down, and it is having that soapy, that foam type look. Nirjhar means it's just coming down. Girivar ke ur se ut kar, and from the hearts of the mountains, uch akankshaon se taruvar. Now this is about the trees which are growing from the mountains and looking on the top. Uch akankshaon means the high thinking, the high goals. Say taruvar is the trees. Hai jhaak rahe neerav nafar, and they are looking at the sky. Animesh atal kuch chinta par. They are very focused, determined, and a little bit worried, because now this whole stanza is compared to those people who are having high goals, and their eyes is on the sky to achieve those goals, and they are always worried about their goals. So these trees are compared to those people who is having uch akankshaएं, means the high goals. उड़ गया अचानक लो भूदर, फड़का अपार पारत के पर. Now suddenly there is all over the place there is a fog. Suddenly fog comes on the mountainous area, and everything is just like flied off. It just flew away. Fadka apar parat ke par, as if it took the wings and just disappeared. All the things around there. Rav shes reh gaya hai nirjhar. Now only sound is left is the waterfall. Nothing can be seen. Hai toot pada bhu par ambar, and the whole sky as if it's coming down on them in the form of the rain on the earth. It is just the clouds have just burst open, and all the rain is coming down, looking like the whole sky is come down. Dhas gaya dhara mein sabhai shal. It looks that the trees are gone inside the earth or inside the ground because of this the scary feeling they are getting, the trees are getting, because of the entire thing disappeared, and that there's nothing can be seen. So the trees are also scared and they have just pushed themselves inside. उठ रहा धुआं जल गया ताल. And now it looks as if the water, that pond at the bottom of the mountains have burnt out and a lot of smoke is just come out. It shows, it appears to be like that. यो जल्द यान में विचर विचर, यो जलद यान में विचर विचर. Now the clouds are sitting on the Jalad means the Indra, the god of clouds. He's sitting on the clouds and is all the way going around, spreading its magical spree, spreading the magic. It looks, the whole appearance looks like that. Thank you.